research scientist. Like all scientists, sociologists are also concerned with both collecting and the using the knowledge. We are going to categorize the role of research scientists into three categories. The first one is conducting scientific research. As a scientist, the sociologist's foremost task is to discover and organize the knowledge about social life. Whatever they observe, they try their best to make a theory so everyone can read and know, or you can say they, after reading that particular theory, they will be in a position to observe the phenomena or observe the social life more clearly than before. So that is basically the initial part of any scientific researcher, that whatever kind of idea they have in hand, they will make a theory, so that observation ultimately will become a proper knowledge, a proper social knowledge. The second one is making sociological predictions. Every policy decision is based upon certain assumptions about the present and the future state of the society. Once a legislator who said we need more severe penalties to curb drug pushing predicts that more severe penalties will curb the narcotics business without creating even a greater problem. Most social science prediction consists not of predicting specific development as astronomer predicts an eclipse, but of forecasting the general pattern of trend and change which seem most probable. All such prediction or the forecast should be offered with certain humility, for no certainty attends them. Instead, social scientists offer them as the best, most informed guesses available upon which to base our policy decision and the expectation for the future. So, sociological prediction can also help estimate social policy probable effects. Even what will be the effects of that policy? Every social policy decision is based on some kind of a prediction. The third, the major role is clarity about the misinformation and the superstition. A sociologist, as a scientist, is to clear away the misinformation and the superstition which clutters so much of our social thinking. Sociologists have helped to clear doubts about race, class, sex differences, deviations, and nearly every other aspects of the behavior. Sociologists perform their most important role by helping, not only helping, but we can say that they replace superstitions and misinformation with accurate knowledge and information about the human behavior.